Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today on Friday. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina. Very typical fall day coming into our Halloween weekend. If you're new to us, I'm Nicole, the product specialist here at ePowerOn. We are an LED fixture manufacturer based in Durham, North Carolina. We're bridging the gap between security surveillance and smart controls into LED fixture packages. Today, we're going to be going over our construction safety station. And during our live, we're going to be showing just a brief video highlighting our product in use. So let's go ahead and start with our construction safety station video. Our construction safety station is a thermal camera that gives businesses and job sites the tools to be secure, safe, and energy efficient. How can our thermal camera help with the security and safety of your business or job site? Our system includes thermal and optical cameras, high-speed Wi-Fi, point-to-point equipment, wireless lighting control, and an optional 4G cellular network connection. All this, combined with our smart switch and lighting controls, provides our customers with peace of mind. Our thermographic cameras can differentiate vehicles and humans from the movement of wind and shadows, which can drastically reduce the occurrence of false alarms. This system provides a much higher accuracy than an optical camera alone. With built-in smart lighting controls, our system can automatically turn on security lights for an entire job site. This increases safety and allows the IP optical camera to catch a clear view of the intrusion. The construction safety station allows our customers the ability to remotely turn lights on and off with the use of our smart controls and custom software. Interested in learning more about our construction safety station or smart controls? Click on the link below to set up a detailed webinar for you and your team. Okay, welcome back. So you can see our construction safety station is a really great asset to your job site or even say like a car dealership, any business really. Let's get the nitty-gritty out of the way and let's discuss the specs on it. So the construction safety station is a weatherproof NEMA box. It has a bracket at the back that can fit 4-inch, 5-inch round or square poles. At the bottom of the station, you can see in our little picture here, we've got some camera connected to it. At the base of the box, it has a 3-way bracket, and it is compatible with all of our cameras and our other external equipment. You can even mount, say, a speaker to it, which will help if someone is detected on your property. It can send off a really loud noise, hopefully getting them to vacate without any further action. So let's also talk about what's inside the box. Inside, we have 4 PoE-enabled Ethernet ports. We have an industrial driver that provides 48 volts constant power to the PoE. It can take fluctuations in power and still provide 48 volts straight to the PoE board. It has over 16 kVA of surge protection. It has a 10 kVA surge protector, and our node, this is our outdoor smart control node, this provides an additional 6 kVA of surge protection. Also inside the box, we provide 220 volt power cords. What are those for? If you can see on the picture here, there is a little antenna, a Ubiquiti. Some people call it, I believe, a mushroom. Just looks like a little bit of a mushroom top. That is an antenna that's point to point. So you'll have one on your construction safety station and it'll point towards your facility where your security guard or manager maybe would be stationed with a computer. That takes 24 volts. So we provide 2 power cords inside the box to power the Ubiquiti. Why 2? Well, let's think about an area that's really large, a vast area that you want to cover. Well, now you're going to need a relay box. So we can use 2 antennas on the relay box to relay from the construction safety station to your facility. So let's talk about what this does for you, what this box can provide for your business. When you pair it with all of our smart controls, you can control other lights, other cameras. You can also, provided through our control with a 4G network, you can also remotely control all of the equipment on your job site. So what happens with the construction safety station? Let's put it into a little bit of a scenario and the way I like to think about it is a car dealership. So there's lots of cars, it's at night, the wind's blowing, maybe there's a dog walking around, none of the lights come on. As soon as a human intruder goes past our construction safety station camera, all of the lights will immediately come on. It can detect human from any other movement. So, and at the same time, your lights will come on. You can program a security beacon to turn on and flash lights. You can program, as I said, a speaker and have a loud siren blare. At the same time, our point-to-point equipment will send a message to the security guard or manager. And with the 4G network, you can also get all of this information sent to your cell phone. So if you're at home as a manager of that car dealership enjoying dinner, you can be alerted if somebody is on your property. So let's talk a little bit about our controls. We already talked about the node, which goes on top. You can kind of see it on our construction safety station, and that's this little guy right here. We also have, this is our outdoor gateway. All right, so the gateway controls all of the nodes, and it can control hundreds of them. This would cover a very large area of your business. When we pair it with our other controls, we have our smart switches here. This one here has an LED light, lets you know if your other fixtures are on or off. And this is our 6-way switch, which means you can control 6 individual lights or 6 groupings of fixtures. Why is this important? Well, for us, we want you to be able to not just use our construction safety station alone. We want you to pair it with all of the lighting, all of the cameras, and you can control all of that with either our switch plates or, once again, on your mobile device. It makes it such an easy process. Also, when you get our construction safety station, it's ready to go. All you need to do is pull power to wherever you place it. It can be a temporary solution, so let's say a job site, or it can be a permanent solution, as I said, at a car dealership. You just need to provide it with power. It makes it so plug and play, which is really our goal here at ePowerOn, providing you an easy, reliable, and affordable way to secure your property and light your business. Also, if I haven't said it yet, if at any time you have any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comments below. And also, as always, hashtag ePowerOnLive to let us know you stopped by. If you come on after we've aired, just go ahead and ask any questions you have. We'll get back to you just as quickly as we possibly can. If we have any questions this morning, let's go ahead and fire away. Okay, so good morning, Amalia. Oh, one other thing, we are on multiple platforms at the same time. If you've been here before, you know the spiel. I have a little fancy earpiece, and my team relays all of your questions to me. So it turns out Amalia does have a question for us this morning. Okay, the question is, how easy is it to install these on construction sites? Super easy. Like I said, you get the box and you plug it in. It's ready to go. And then when you just pair it with our cloud-based platform, you have total control of the box itself and all of your other fixtures and cameras. So the question is, can you transport it easily from a construction site to another construction site? Yes, absolutely. You have steel clamps that secure it to a pole. So we've done this in our warehouse. If you join me for another live, you may have seen the construction safety station on a wooden pole. We built that ourselves and just put it on there. So you can transport it very easily anywhere you need. Do we have local? Yes, we are in Durham. If you're in the North Carolina area, we have it locally right in our warehouse, ready to ship. Our warehouse is under construction because we are growing, so please come by it. We would love to open up some more space for the construction to get finished. So the question is, can you purchase it through us? So we're going to provide you with a link to any of your local distributors, and they can help you to purchase the item. We work through our distributors and our contractors. All right, so this is Halloween weekend. I hope you have a great weekend. Join us back next week for another live, and have a great day. Thank you so much for coming.